everyone! Mga gwapo and gwapa, kamusta ka mo diha? Welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog ay sasaguntin po natin ang mga katanungan ni na Gen B 2023. Sabi niya, na-interview na po ba kayo ma'am ng Poland employer? Shoutout din po kay Rolandi588. Sabi niya, wala na po ba kayong ma'am employers interview ng agency? Then next po is si Heart_14. Nag-message po siya sa akin sa TikTok. Sabi niya, hello Sisi, nanood akong video mo sa YouTube. Ask ko lang, may interview po ba? So stay tuned and I'll be giving you the questions and answer details of my interview in my Poland employer. Before we start guys, I would like to share to you the actual photos of my interview in my Poland employer. Ayan, napakaganda niya guys, di ba? So ayun po guys, pinag-download po kami ni agency ng WhatsApp kasi sabi niya po is magkakandak ng interview si employer. So nag-download po kami guys and then inantay po namin yung kanilang confirmation kung kailan sila magkakandak ng interview. So, ayun, nag-message po sa amin si employer, ayan, si Ma'am Marina, ayan, at nilagay niya po dito kung anong oras siya magkakandak ng interview. Okay? So, ang pagitan pala, ang gap pala ng oras natin sa Poland is 6 hours. Advance po tayo ng 6 hours sa Poland. So, ayun, kung alas 6 po dito sa atin, sa kanila po is 12 ng tanghali. Ayan. So, advance lang po tayo ng 6 hours. Okay? So, 11:30 yung nilagay niyang oras ng kanyang pag-i-interview sa amin. So, around mga 5:30 p.m. po dito naman sa time ng Pinas. So, before we go to the actual questions, I would like you to consider these 3 tips bago kayo sumalang sa interview nyo. Okay? First is, be prepared. Ahead of time, iayos mo na guys or ihanda mo na ang iyong susuotin sa interview mo. Alright? Kasi mas maganda, nakaprepared na po ang susuotin mo guys. Maging sa pagsasalita mo or sa mga possible questions, mag-research ka na rin guys. Because you want to have a good impression to the interviewer, right? Next po is practice. Okay? Because practice makes perfect. Mas maganda guys, mag-practice kayo sa harap ng salamin para makita nyo ang expression ng inyong mukha at maging natural na lang sa inyo ang pagsasalita. Okay? Last po guys is just become and be yourself. Just like this. Okay? Don't forget to smile guys. Alright? Okay, so ito po yung kauna-unahang tinanong niya sa akin. Tell me about yourself. Ayan. So, tell me about yourself. You don't have to explain or to tell all the story in your life. Okay? So, lagi mong iisipin dito guys, sa tell me about yourself na parang ibinibenta mo dito yung sarili mo. Kung ano ba yung magiging solution mo doon sa problem or kung ano ba yung maihahain mo sa kanila. Parang kasing binibenta mo dito talaga yung sarili mo para mapa-convince sila na mai-hire ka nila. Okay? So, hindi mo na kailangan ditong ikwento yung buong talambuhay mo mula pagkabata. Okay? So, ito po yung sinagot ko guys sa Tell Me About Yourself. So, thank you for the opportunity that you have given unto me, Mom. I am Valdine Casipit, 35 years old, and I've been in manufacturing industry for 11 years. And in my previous employer, I am a team leader handling of 22 manpower. I do experience a lot of challenges in production line, but overcome it. And also, I am a motivated and dedicated person. So, ganun lang po kasimple guys. Yun. Parang ibinibenta mo yung sarili mo sa kanya through your success in your previous background job. So, next niya pong tinanong sa akin is, why do you want to work here in Poland? Okay, so straightforward mo na yung sagot guys. Kung ano yung purpose mo, kung bakit gusto mong magtrabaho sa ibang bansa, which is doon nga sa Poland. Okay, so ito po naman yung naging actual kong sagot. So I want to work in Poland, ma'am, because the salary is much better than here in the Philippines. I do have my family to look up to and I want to support them in their financial needs. Also, I want to learn the European standards of law, which I do believe that I can learn and gain experience through working in Poland. So, yun po guys yung sinabi ko sa kanya. So, next niyang tanong guys is, did you finish a degree in school? Sabi niya ganon. So, sinabi ko, no ma'am, high school graduate ma'am. Sabi ko ganon sa kanya. So, next niyang tinanong sa akin is, are you willing to get a degree here in school? Or, yun, baka pag-aralin ako ni madam. Ayun. So, yung sinagot ko naman dito, guys, is sabi ko, someday, ma'am, but my priority now is to work in Poland because I want to help my family. So, next pong tinanong sa akin ni employer is, you are applying for a factory, right? So, what do you think or what is your idea to that? Yun, tinanong niya ako kung ano daw yung idea ko sa factory worker. So, of course, matagal na tayong factory worker. So, straightforward, ang sagot ko sa kanya is, a factory worker, ma'am, is a combination of human work and an automated equipment. So, yun, ganun lang ko kasimple ang sinagot ko sa kanya. So, next niyang tanong sa akin is, are you willing to work in night shift schedule? So, syempre, wala lang tayong pili-pili pa kahit anong schedule yan, basta makapunta tayo ng Poland. Syempre, yun. Yung sagot ko naman sa kanya is, yes ma'am, I am willing to work in any kind of shift. Okay? So, tapos, sabi niya, ito, sumunod ng tanong sa akin is, would you prefer to work overtime schedule or a shadow regular schedule? Sabi niya ganun sa akin. So, syempre, pinili ko yung overtime, guys, para makaipon tayo ng mabilis, di ba? So, ang sagot ko sa kanya is, I would prefer overtime schedule, ma'am, so that I can earn more money. So, last niyang tinanong sa akin, guys, is, do you have an experience in working abroad? So, sabi ko, no, ma'am, it's my first time to apply in abroad. Yun. Ganun lang po, guys, ka-simple. So, dun lang po nagtatapos yung kanyang pagtatanong sa akin at bandang huli is sinabi niya sa akin is, nice meeting you, Valdine, and thank you for your time and have a nice day and see you in Poland. So, yun, tuwan-tuwa naman ako dun, guys. Syempre. Tapos sabi ko rin sa kanya is, thank you ma'am and have a nice day. So, ayun guys, doon lang po nagtatapos ang interview sa akin ni employer. At hindi nyo naman kailangan guys na makipag-fluent sa English, okay? So, lagi nyo tatandaan na kahit Carabao English yan. Okay? So, ang mahalaga lang naman doon guys is maintindihan nyo yung tinatanong niya at masagot mo ng maayos yung kanyang tanong. Okay? So, be yourself guys at huwag masyadong kakabahan o huwag ka magpadala sa kaba mo. Okay? Kasi kapag nagpadala ka sa kaba mo, walang mangyayari talaga guys. Mauunahan ka na ng kaba, mauunahan ka ng taranta. Okay? So, i-enjoy nyo lang yung interview nyo at kung magkaroon man kayo sakali ng interview nyo kay employer, lalong-lalo na kay Poland, ay good luck na lang po at galingan nyo guys. Be the best version of yourself. Okay? So, ayun guys, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking vlog and hopefully kung magkaroon man din kayo ng interview nyo kay employer, lalong-lalo na kay Poland employer, so sana po nakakuha kayo ng idea sa aking munting vlog at sana po is nakatulong sa inyo ang mga information na ibinigay ko sa inyo. Ayun, so maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel. 101 na sila guys. Oh my God, thank you so much for my solid supporters. Maraming salamat po sa sumuporta ng aking channel. At huwag kayong mag-alala guys dahil isi-share ko po lahat ng mga experience ko at lahat ng aking pagdadaanan ng pag-a-apply papuntang Poland. This is Inday Guapa, making informative videos in applying to Poland. So, if you find this video informative, please do hit the share, like, at subscribe mo na rin ang aking channel para updated ka sa aking mga susunod na vlog. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. This is Inday Guapa saying, if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye!
Thank you all for watching this here video.